10 tricks using your keyboard which will make life so much easier. We live in a digital age. Our lives are completely online. From where we eat to where we go on vacations, we share everything. Now we can get almost anything at our doorstep with just a click. What if we send you a couple of decades back? Would you be able to survive? It's difficult to even imagine. We are surrounded by different gadgets and technology throughout the day that sometimes we aren't able to realize that we have used it. Total technological detox is out of the question. In the post-pandemic world, most of us are working from home, and no matter how much we get used to it and how simple it made our lives, we still can't say no to anything that makes it easier. Call us lazy, but that is the ugly truth. What if we tell you that there are certain tricks that you can use on your computer to do something even faster? Intrigued? Then watch this video till the end because you don't want to miss anything from here. Number 10. Clear the spam mailbox in a jiffy. Aren't we all fed up with all the promotional and unnecessary mails in our mailbox? What's more difficult is to delete them. You can either ignore them and keep them piling up in your inbox, or you can be smart and follow this trick. In the search option, type unsubscribe, and a list of all those junk messages you don't need will show up. You can go ahead and delete them without any hassle, or even unsubscribe them. Number 9. Minimize all tabs in one click. Sometimes when you are working on an extensive project, you end up opening a lot of windows on your computer. It is so difficult to minimize each one of them for you to focus on one thing at a time. Here's a trick with the help of which you can minimize all of the open windows at once. Press the Windows button and D. For MacBook users, you need to press the command option H, M together and the work would be done for you. Number 8. The solution to all your problems. F1. If you're stuck somewhere and don't know what to do next, then simply press F1. It can be called a button for universal help, which can solve all your queries. Don't forget, next time you're stuck, just press F1. Oh, it rhymes. Number 7. Save the web page without unnecessary hassle. One amazing thing that you can do when you're surfing the net. If you come across a page you want as a PDF, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus P. It will open the print box where you can select to save it as a PDF on your computer. For our friends who use a Mac, you need to use Command plus P to do this trick. Now you can use this trick to save helpful web pages without any extra effort. Number 6. Scroll through a document without moving a finger. Accept this. There are times when we get tired of scrolling down our cursor when we are reading something on a computer. We have a trick for that too. Instead of sliding your fingers down all the time, you can simply press the space bar and it will do the task for you. If you want to go back up, simply press Shift plus space bar. Number 5. Zoom through your open tab with this trick. For all the multitaskers out there who are doing different things simultaneously, you need to have a quick trick or two up your sleeves to save even a fraction of a second. If you have a lot of open tabs on your taskbar and you want to navigate between them faster without always clicking on them, you need to try this trick and tell us how much you like it. Just press Alt plus Escape and you will switch through the open tabs in a jiffy. Number 4. Listen to an audio file without downloading. The next trick is for people who want to listen to an audio or video file but do not have the right application to do so. Now generally what you would do in such a situation is that you will download the application and then listen to it. Won't that kill the vibe? So, to listen to that right away, all you need to do is put that file on your browser's search option and leave the rest to it. You'll be able to listen to it right away. Number 3. Delete without a trace. If you have something on your computer or just in case on someone else's computer that you want to delete, then you need to hear this trick. You don't want to delete it the regular way where it first goes to the recycle bin where it stays. To save time, you can simply select the Shift plus Delete option, and this will permanently delete the file, leaving no trace. Number 2. Navigate through YouTube without using your mouse. This one is for all the lovers of YouTube who do not want to use the cursor or mouse whenever they are watching a video. What if we say you can do a lot with your computer here, and no, we are not going to say press spacebar to pause a video. Instead, press K and it will pause the video. Similarly, press M to mute the video. This one comes in handy if someone walks in on you. By pressing the J or L key, we'll skip the video 10 seconds before or back to. You can try this right now, but don't forget to unmute for the last one. You want to hear it. Number 1. Keep your IP address secret. If you are not comfortable sharing your IP address to a website while you are searching for something, then you can use Google Translate as a proxy. This is shocking but true. All you need to do is open Google Translate, then select a language that is not English, type the URL in the search box, click on the link in the translated box, and voila! You can show off this trick among your friends. Speaking of which, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and share this newfound knowledge with them. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and let your voice be heard.